Hello everyone in Cyberworld. It's time again for another project, so let's get right into it. Now that we've rebuilt the laundry closet and put in some new shelves, it's time to finish the project by moving the bifold doors forward to accommodate the larger washer and dryer. I begin by removing the upper track of the bifold doors. Then, a little touch-up painting. And now to reinstall the upper track as far forward as I possibly can. I built this to contain the dust that was going to occur when I started grinding the tile. My Dremel came in handy, but the blades I have don't last long against ceramic tile. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the reason I'm grinding the tile is so I can cut it out and move the bifold door's lower track forward. Even with the container I built, the dust particles were all over. They were so fine, so I tried to use the vacuum to help remove some from the air. I had to make adjustments to the floorboard as well, so I had to rip out the old ones. Then it was time to use a concrete chisel, light tapping, and a lot of prayer. But fortunately I was able to remove the piece I needed without cracking the rest of the tile. A little patchwork to cover the spot where the lower track used to be. Then I installed a new floorboard and added some caulk. And now for some final adjustments to finish the entire project.
I changed your blueprints. As you once did to me, I laugh at you for such a dumb mistake.
In the end, I came up with a different solution to fix this problem, so stay tuned to see what we did.